Okay, later we can do. If you want to do, you can do at home, but it's tough ones don't do. If you want to do, yes, Cyrus. Cyrus, what? Tell me.
44 and page 43 and 44. These two in textbook addition, ma'am.
1 minute. 43 and 44. Okay, we'll do it. No, never mind. Okay. Even you can do it at home because you all know how to do it. You can do it. Otherwise, we'll be wasting time. Now, good morning to all. Get ready with your classwork note. Yesterday, we were talking about subtraction. Okay. Now, I'll just subtraction and we were just doing not one day. Now, it's very easy to take away. Take away, we did subtraction on the number line the previous day, Wednesday, I think so. I'm not Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah. Now we'll see. Just wait. Please write today's date in the margin. Please write today's date in the margin. Next class after reopening, we'll have a facility like all the children will be shown on the screen with PPT, ma'am, everything. Okay. Now today I'm not going to do that because I'll have to try that. Now you just take your classwork note, new page, write today's date in the margin. 89, everybody must do. All must do now. Yes. After that, on the first line itself, there is a red line, I think so. There is a red line. Right? Subtraction. I'll tell you 1 minute. First, you must write lesson because we are going to start only today. Lesson Lesson 4, L4. Lesson 4. Just write L4. L-4. Lesson 4. Virti, start writing in your classwork note, please. I will not go back because I'm just dictating this. L4. Good.
I started writing, ma'am.
Very good. L4. Leave some space. Capital S. Capital S. U. S-U-B. Kailina, are you writing? Because it's not there. S-U-B. T-R-A. Subtraction. It's in your textbook. Subtraction. S-U-B. Shashwata, write. S-U-B. T-R-A. T-R-A. Subtraction. C-T-I-O-N. S-U-B. T-R-A. C-T-I-O. In your textbook, first page, opening page contents, you will have. If you want to clarify, please take that book and see the heading. For the children, I don't want anybody to turn on your mic. Johan, please turn off your mic. Disturbance. Yeah. Lesson 4, subtraction. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. In your textbook, first page, contents lesson 4, subtraction, if you want to clarify. Okay. Now we are going back to subtraction in your classwork note. You're going to, I will just start now. Yeah. Those who are coming late and those who came late, just write the date. 18. Now see, you are not going to do anything. One by one, I will make you do. Please don't disturb. Okay, children? We will do one by one. Now, listen to me carefully. You have written already the date. Straight to that date, write T-O, tens and ones. Straight to that date, write TO. Yes. Don't write any sum, children. I will tell you what you have to do. Now, leave 2 columns as it shown on the screen. After T and O, leave 2 columns. Write TO. Again, leave 2 columns. TO. Please don't copy any sum. Leaving 2 columns. Write tens and ones, short form. Now I want to see you. Yes. Tridip, show me your notebook. Alan, show me your notebook. Alan and Tridip, show me your notebook. See, I told you not to write. You all are wasting pages there. Left 1 page. Wait, don't write now. Question, don't write anything. Okay, who's this now? Alan. Okay, Alan, leave it. Tridip, show me your notebook. You also must have copied all the sums. Yes, not showing Tridip. Cyrus, did you do the sum? Listen, children, please listen to the teacher. Yeah. It's okay, Alan, don't erase now. I'm going back. This every second I have to see you. Tridip, show me your notebook. T-O, I cannot see T-O. Why are you leaving line for T-O? T, don't leave any line after T. Next column itself O. Otherwise you won't have space. See, children, clearly shown here. T, don't leave any square. If in class means I can help you. Don't leave any square. After T, O, leave 2 squares. Now, copy the first sum, everybody. Copy the first sum. Copy the first sum, everybody. Yes. Children, many are not there, and I don't know how I am going to give you marks for oral work. When your report card comes, nothing will be there. This is for the next term. First term, we finished putting it, and I am very, very sad now. Only 50 children are attending class. Now, first one, I want Samantha to answer. Samantha, as soon as I call your name, you have to come. Samantha, sweetie.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Samantha. Now, did you copy the first sum, 56 minus 32?
Yes, ma'am.
I am not going to tell you to turn on your camera because I am very tired of telling. Now, Samantha, I want to minus 6 minus 2. Take 2 from 6. Now tell me, you can tell louder today. 6 minus 2. After 2, listen, I don't want the answer. Listen to me. I want you to tell the method. 6 minus 2. How we are going to do it? Parents, please leave her alone. Samantha, listen to me. You just repeat after me, okay? 6 minus 2. Same?
6 minus 2.
After 2, you have to count. Take the second number. After 2, count on your fingers till 6. When you reach 6, you just stop. Now tell me. Now I'll see you. Wait 1 minute. Samantha, where are you? Yeah. Take out all the fingers for you. I will teach you. Just lift left hand. Left hand. Only left hand. No right hand. Now 6 minus 2. Tell me. 6 minus. Repeat after me, please. 6 minus 2. Say.
6 minus 2.
After 2,
After 2,
now count down your fingers. 3. Take number 1. 1 you show. 3. Take only 1. No, close all the fingers. Close all the fingers. Now take 3. That means 1. Okay. 3. Next. 4. See, you all are not listening to me. Samantha, don't turn left and right, Samantha. Then I will not ask you questions. You close all your fingers. Now I will teach you. Closer. Closer to the camera. I cannot see your fingers. Yeah. Close everything. Now when you count 3, after 2, 6 minus 2. After 2, 3 means take a, open one finger. Now 3. 4, second finger.
4,
4. Now 5, third finger. 5.
5.
The next one, 6. Take another finger. Now see in your hand, what is the answer? No. When you read 6, stop. Now see, Samantha, I'm not scolding you. You must learn. When others do the work, you learn. You don't depend on your parents. So answer is what? Tell me the answer now. 4. No.
4.
Because this will never help you. Because all are disturbing you behind answer cholle, 2, 3. It will not help. Now, Samantha, thank you, Samantha. Next child is Sashwata. You just see others, how they are answering. Just you also can pick up. Sashwata, tell me 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. No answer. Tell me how to do it. I'm telling you, no answer. Please tell me how to do it. 5 minus 3. After 3.
After 3, 4, 5.
What is the answer?
2.
Yes. You must tell, I don't want the answer. I want you to tell today like this. Afterwards, you can tell the answer directly. Now, listen. You must do. Nobody is listening in class. After your turn is over, you're just turn off your camera and you're going off. I don't know how you're going to learn. I don't want any complaints about maths, English or EVS. Now, next child is, thank you, Shashwata. Shamma, please be online. Copy the next number as it is shown on the screen. 98 minus 51. See when I'm turning.
I'm serious, Papa.
Yeah. Now, when I ask you a question, you must tell me. What is 8 minus 1?
1.
8 minus 1.
After 1, 2,
Yeah.
3,
Count.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ma'am, 7.
Very good. See how other children are doing. You must see. You must learn things from others. Even this child will have to learn from other students. There will be different ways to do. After telling answer, don't simply sit. You have to work out maths every day, even holidays. Okay. Cool. 9 minus 5, Shama.
After 5,
Good.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Tell me the answer. 4. Very good. Please write down the answer down. Now I want Mukhil M. M. Mukhil, are you there? M. Mukhil, are you there? No. Punit Jain. Punit Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good morning, Punit. Please copy the third sum. Please copy the third sum. Copy. Third sum. 66 minus 44. As it is shown on the screen, you copy it. 66 minus 44. I will ask you a question. Wait. Did you copy, Punit?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
Right. I will wait for you. Only when I ask you to write, you must write. Please copy or write 66 minus 44.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, now listen to me. What is 6 minus 4? You do it in your mind and tell me. 6 minus 4. Take away 4 from 6. Good. Again 6 minus 4.
2.
2. Good. Write the answer, everybody. Only big numbers I will ask you to do it by yourself. Good. Now I want Tangareknam. Tangareknam. See? Tangareknam is not there. Now, Ansh John. Ansh. I saw Ansh joining. Yes, Ansh. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now, what happened to your camera, Ansh?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, please turn on. Listen. Now, see down there, first sum. Tens and ones, answer 24. 2,
Yes, ma'am.
don't need Ansh. Please leave 2 squares down and copy 90 minus 70. How it is shown on the screen. Please leave 2 squares down after answer 24. Only 2 squares. And write below 10 9 and below 1 0. So 90 minus 70. I want you to do the sum. Copy it now. 90 minus 70. Do. Please copy. 90 minus 70. Everybody must do. All can copy the sum as it is shown on the screen. 90 minus 70. Seeing it, if it will be very easy for you, but when I ask you, are not able to tell. 90 minus 70. Did you copy now? And tell me, what is 0 minus 0?
0.
What is 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7.
2.
Okay. How did you do it? You just count after 9 because you can't take all the 9 fingers. After 7, Ansh, just use this method. 9 minus 7. Tell after me. 9
minus
7. After 7, till you get 9, you count. After 7,
After 7.
what is after 7? Next number. 8. Open your fingers. 8. Then what is the next number after 8?
9.
9, that's all. See, after 7, you count till 9. After 7, 8, 9. What is the answer?
9.
No. See your fingers. Listen carefully.
2.
2, that's all. You're counting 9, but on your finger, it's only 2. Okay, 20 is the answer. Good. Now, I want Sehan, are you there today? I'm going to report about Sehan and so many children. Sehan. Sharan Pranav or Sehan? Anyone?
I am here, ma'am.
Who's there? Not Ansh. Ansh is over. Sehan. Sehan or Sharan Pranav? Ansh, okay, you finished telling. See these two children. And towards the end, Sharan is there. Sehan is not there. Sharan, see, yesterday, end of the class, 5 minutes before, I saw Sharan Pranav. Nobody is there. Okay, Tion.
Ma'am.
Yes, good, Tion. Now, please copy 82 minus 62 from the screen. Please copy. Just leave.
I'm copying, ma'am.
Finish copying. Now, can you tell me what is 2 minus 2? 2 minus 2.
Now only questions.
Okay, do it. 82 minus 62. You write the question. I will wait. 82 minus 62. 82 minus 62. After copying, please tell me. Others can copy even the next sum. Fast on. 82 minus 62. Now, 2 minus 2, please start doing it. Look at the screen and tell me what is 2 minus 2. See, when I'm not calling you, you all are going and doing something. Anyway, we got the facility to see all the children on the screen at the same time. Okay, 2 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2?
20, ma'am.
2 minus 2. Take 2 from 2.
0.
Yeah. Now, only listen to each question and then answer. What? When you take 6 from 8, what will you get? 8 minus 6.
2, ma'am.
2. Somebody's talking over there.
Ma'am.
Okay, some class must be. 8 minus 6.
8 minus 6. Ma'am, 20. 2, ma'am.
Yeah.
Finishing on screenshot. Please text me.
Please turn off your mic. Thank you. Some other class. Yeah. Okay, now. I want Jeff. Jeff. And at the same time, all must copy all these sums. Jeff. 45,
Yes, ma'am.
45 minus 34. Did you copy that?
No, ma'am.
Please copy. Leave 2 squares after 22 and copy.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Jake, what happened, ma'am?
Many students are not able to log in. I informed
What
them
happened, ma'am?
they're getting an error message. So I told them to inform the school office.
Okay, I'll just see to it. Call him. Okay, ma'am, I'll just see to it. Okay, because only 57 are there. Ma'am, I'll see to it. 1 minute. Thank you, ma'am. Some error is seen. Correct only. Come and see here. No, some 50. Listen, when I go back, then ma'am, the link you have posted is not working. Oh. അത് 57 പേർക്ക് കിട്ടി. Some are not getting. ഇതപ്പം തന്നെ വന്നു. അതാണ് ഞാൻ പിന്നെ അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകേണ്ടിരുന്നത്. എനിക്കറിഞ്ഞൂടെ അതാണ്. ആ അല്ല 12 പേരില്ല. I don't know. Okay, okay. Listen. 57 are there. Okay, now children, just continue. Please continue. (45 minus 34). 45 minus 34. I asked Jeff to help me. Jeff,
Yes, ma'am.
please. 5
One.
minus 1 minute. 5 minus 4.
1.
4 minus 3. Just slowly. 4 minus 3.
4.
4 minus 3. Take after 3. Just 4 minus 3. After 3, 4. So what is in your finger? Just tell me 1 or 4.
1.
Then you must tell that answer. 1. Okay, now hope everybody would have finished. Just do it. We'll go to the next.
finished, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting. Do fast, and camera should be on. Then only I will know what you all are doing. Please complete fast. Where is Ansh? I want to see you. If you turn the camera off, I will go to the next one. All complete the work. Yesterday I told you you are not supposed to do any other work while you are in class. Children, many are not getting the link, it seems, but we send the correct link. 57 of you joined. Okay, Mishti, what you want, Mishti? Yes, and Sharia. Yeah, some problem will be with your system. It's not our mistake, children. It's not our mistake. So just see to your system. John Matthew, where are you? John Matthew, every day something is wrong. Some system, some problem in your system. John Matthew, where are you? Till now he hasn't joined. You listen the message. Yeah. We are sending the correct link and 56 of you joined. Now, and hurry up, and I'll have to go back to the next because I got only 5 minutes. Every day you are late. Okay, do fast. See, other children are wasting their time. Come on. Yes, now you have completed all this. We'll go to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have space. Thank you. You don't have space. Go to the next page. Copy all the 3 sums because we have to complete it. It's easy. Those who can do, you can do, but I'll call one by one. Please take a new page if you don't have space in the same page. Write TO, leave 2 squares. Again TO, leave 2 squares. Write all the questions, children, those who are free. I will call 1 minute. Artrika Chakrabarti. Artrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Artrika, copy the first one soon. Camera, please, Artrika.
Copy.
Very good. Now tell me, what is 4 minus 1?
3.
Good. 5 minus 4.
1.
So you have to write the answer down. 13. Next child is Jonathan Paul. Jonathan Paul. Jonathan, are you there? No. Evelyn Zara. She's there. I saw you. I saw Evelyn. Can you... Evelyn Zara, hurry up. No. Johan S. Thomas. Johan. Yes. Those who want to study, they are coming every day to class. Johan, good.
Ma'am, can I study?
Please tell me 60 minus 20. I'm going to ask you. Okay, Johan. Now, what is 0 minus 0? Somebody else is calling.
0 minus 0 is
Okay, Johan. 0. 6 minus 2. After 2, you count till 6. Yeah. 4. Good. Very good. 60 minus 20, 40. Please write the answer. Now, copy the next sum, everybody. I will call Jake Bobby. Jake.
Done.
Wait. Let everybody copy 80 minus 30. Okay, now we'll ask you one by one. Now, what is 0 minus 0? No, listen. 0 minus 0, answer.
0 minus 0, 0.
8 minus 3. 5. Good. Answer is 50. Please copy.
50.
Ajay, can you tell your mother? I just checked the link. It was right. Some problem must be with their systems. Okay. I don't know. It's gone from here. Okay, thank you. Now listen, children, all of you check this. All the 3 questions and the answers. Fast, children, it's already time. And write fast. Let me see. Yeah. Ange, did you write all the 3 sums? See, the pencil is up there.
No, ma'am.
No. Please write. You have to write from the screen. No playing with your pencil. Kushagra, did you write? Kushagra, I'm going to stop. It's already time.
Can I finish?
Yeah, good. I'm going to stop. It's already time. Please do it fast.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now 1 minute, 1 minute.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now don't
Thank you,
scream.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.